Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and I do want to know how you guys are doing, so you could share that with me in the comment section, please. Also, right away, I want to thank you so much for your support and attention. It means so much for me. And as I've promised in my previous video, here today I am talking about the great health benefits of the Soleil, or Sol as I sometimes pronounce it. So forgive me here, because it comes from the Latin word sol, which means sun. This is really a wonderful recipe for you to prepare. It is essential water, and it is saturated with the real salt. Real salt is like a key word, because it's not regular table salt, which if you by any chance have some and you keep cooking with it, throw it away or use it for cleaning and get yourself great real salt. And now before I forget, please subscribe to my channel so you could be always up to date with all the videos about DIY recipes and skincare that I'm making. I'm uploading twice a week. I really try to work hard for you guys so you enjoy my videos. And then also please don't forget to check the recipe how we're preparing the sol, as well as other videos I have where I am explaining why salt is actually good for us and why you might even need to eat more salt. So I will start right away with the health benefits that Soleil provides us with. Well, some of them are for sure scientifically proven. Some of them are anecdotal, but many people have noticed and noted the improvements in certain area in their health. Well, the first benefit that is definitely for sure there is the hydration. Have you ever noticed that when you wake up in the morning you feel thirsty? Actually, the reason for that is that throughout the night your body naturally tries to detoxify itself and restore itself. And you know what it needs for that purpose? Water. And that's why in the morning you definitely need to start your day with a glass of warm water, as I recommend, and add sol in it, because sol will help to rehydrate the body. Another benefit that's really there too is the energy. Sol helps to boost your energy throughout the day. The next third benefit is that it helps to detoxify your body. But do it naturally, of course. The thing is that the minerals that salt, the real salt, has, they're so important for our body, and they also help our body to detoxify itself naturally again. This salt solution is naturally antibacterial, which helps to kill bad bacteria in your body. The next three benefits, and my favorite are actually why I'm using this solution. First one is the digestion. Well, salt naturally helps to stimulate the digestive system, promoting great nutrient absorption and regularity. Compared to all the laxatives out there, this is something natural. Have you ever heard of the salt flush? You know, salt water flush in the morning. So that's actually not that harsh, of course not. It would not really make it to be like, it would never make it be a laxative, but it will promote healthy digestion. And because it promotes healthy digestion, there is also a benefit of losing weight, because there is like natural debloating effect of the regularity, and it helps to lose weight automatically, right? Besides, if we have this healthy digestion, it improves the appearance of our skin, hair, and nails. Have you ever noticed that after, spending some time in the ocean or in the sea, your nails, they are stronger and look better? That's actually because of the salt. There have been also people that noted the lower blood pressure, aside from the regular belief that salt is bad. Again, real salt is not bad for you. Also, some people noted improved blood sugar levels, and it can also help with the muscle cramps. The thing is, the first thing I would recommend you if you're suffering from muscle cramps is to look into magnesium. Check out my video, 2 of them, where I'm talking about the signs of magnesium deficiency and how you could take more magnesium. So by combining the Soleil and magnesium, you could really help yourself to get rid of that problem. There is another speculation here that this salt solution, Soleil, can help with the bone health. Well, actually, the theory behind osteoporosis and other bone diseases is that your body is taking calcium and other minerals from the bones for survival, and also neutralizes acidity in the blood. So sol is naturally alkalizing, and it's full of minerals. So then there is thus this speculation that it can help with the bone health. And the last benefit is that it might help with the varicose veins. I have a history of varicose veins in the family, so I'm taking Soleil, hopefully, that it can help me to prevent it. Of course, regular exercising and not sitting for too long is like the key factors, but this is just like a little bit like add-on to that. It helps with healthy veins by supporting the correct mineral balance in the body and the blood. So I guess these are all health benefits I wanted to share with you today, but also just in the end, so you don't think I'm just talking here. There's been a study done in 2003. It confirmed significant positive changes in respiratory, circulatory, organ, and connective tissue, and also nervous system functions. Patients have reported better concentration, brain activity, better sleep, and better energy levels, as well as noticeable hair and nail growth. All in all, I really hope that you like this video. You will try to prepare this so late because it doesn't cost anything to prepare it, and it is natural, so they're inexpensive addition to your healthy natural lifestyle. And I really hope that you would find that you have benefited from at least some of the benefits that I've listed in this video. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your attention. I appreciate your support so very much. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will be very happy to see you soon.